Hi. Every solution has a problem. Every problem, we need to get a solution. When I was studying in my school days, we used to have 6 to 7 subjects. What are those? English, Telugu, Hindi. These are all languages, right? Then social, science, then mathematics, right? In three languages, what we used to have, we used to have stories, we used to have some adventurous things and all. In social, what used to have, we'll have all the geography, history, and civics, right? But in two subjects, that is mathematics and sciences. In sciences also chemistry and physics and biology. But in mathematics, physics, and chemistry, we used to have problems, right? Why they used to give problems? When I was studying, I don't know why they used to give problems. Always to used to in mathematics, we used to have a problems and we need to find solution. But the scholars who has de- developed this curriculum, there is something. When I was in school, I don't know the importance of problem. But when I grown to graduate after graduate. See, in those days, I used to solve the problems in mathematics. In mathematics, what are the all arithmetic will be there, trigonometry will be there, algebra, all problems used to be there. But after graduation, when I'm independent, I need to solve the problems of life. What are those? Every day is a problem. Every day we need to should not call it as a problem, but we need to call it as a challenge. Every moment is a challenge. What are the challenges? Challenges is always we need to be in the present moment. But what everybody and myself used to have will be in the past or sometimes in the future. Why past? If there is any mistake I had done, I used to recall that and think, should I do this now or not? Or should I am going to fail? If I'm going to fail, what is about the future? Forgetting about the present. Right. So mathematics, problems or challenges, problems. They used to call problems. Okay. Problems. Physics also they used to have problems. In chemistry also. Right. These problems, if the more problems you solve in the school and colleges, the more problems you can solve in your life. But life problems will touch our brain more. When you are not solving your brain, the pain will start sinking into your heart. When it sinks into your heart, what happens? Your whole body will be a problem. So, how to solve these problems? You need to have a solve this problem. See, problems will come only to solve. Every solution has come when you're solving a problem. So there is always there is a positive, always there is negative. Okay. So we need to solve the problems the way we solve problems in mathematics, physics, or chemistry. With the knowledge what you have learned in English, Telugu, or Hindi, or social studies. See, these all there are life skills are available in each subject. But when I was young, I don't know why these all stories and why they are telling in the class. And even then, they used to conduct the exams also, whether we had remembered and whether we are able to recall it or not. But at the time, I studied only for exams. But after growing, after graduation, I thought that, see, I should not study for exams. So I should study for life. My message or my learning is we should not study for exams, we should study for life. And we can solve all the problems or we can overcome all the challenges if we have a cool mind. How we can have a cool mind? By doing some breathing exercises, some meditations, so that when a mind is calm, you will get a lot of solutions. When you ask, you will get, but you need to ask when there is a calm mind. How you get a calm mind? When you are doing breathing exercise or meditation, then you ask what you want, you get everything. But repeatedly you need to ask. The way we learned bicycle, we learned the game in our mobiles. See, every level, if you want to cross each level in the game, I need to be perfect and solve the game, or if not reach the first level, second level, third level. Similar way, if I want to solve problems, I need to make my mind calm. When my body is fit, my mind will be calm. And when my mind is calm, I can solve my problems. So, with this principle, see, for every problem, there is a solution. For every solution, there is a problem. Thank you.